Waste clothes are a growing recycling challenge. Old garments, textile scraps, mixed fabrics, bulky, tangled, and hard to process. This spiral shredder is designed to handle them with ease. Clothes are fed directly into the machine. No pre-cutting required. No complicated operation. The spiral cutting system tears textiles smoothly and continuously, reducing clothes into uniform shredded material. After shredding, the textile output can be reused in multiple ways. It can be used for insulation materials, automotive soundproofing, padding and filling, or as fuel material for energy recovery. By reducing volume and preparing textiles for reuse, this shredder helps recyclers lower disposal costs and create new value from waste clothes. Compact structure, stable operation, and suitable for textile recycling plants and waste processing facilities. Turn waste clothes into reusable resources. A practical shredding solution worth investing in.